Hi, welcome back to our channel, Vocab List 6. In this session, you will learn 25 advanced vocabulary words tested in GRE, SAT, ACT, IELTS, CAT, CLAT, AILETS, LSAT, etc. 1. Aberrant. Meanings: deviating from the norm, abnormal, straying from the right or normal way. Usage: his aberrant behavior at the party raised concerns among his friends. Alacrity. Meanings: cheerful readiness, promptness in response. Eagerness. Usage: she accepted the invitation with alacrity, eager to attend the gala. 3. Approbation. Meanings: approval, commendation, official sanction. Usage: the novel received widespread approbation from literary critics. 4. Assiduous. Meanings: diligent, persistent, attentive. Usage: the assiduous student spent hours in the library each day. 5. Bellicose. Meanings: warlike, aggressive, hostile. Usage: his bellicose rhetoric stirred up tensions within the crowd. 6. Capricious. Meanings: impulsive, unpredictable, erratic. Usage: the capricious weather made it difficult to plan outdoor activities. 7. Castigation. Meanings: severe criticism, punishment, reprimand. Usage: the politician faced castigation for his unethical behavior. 8. Circumspect. Meanings: cautious, prudent, wary. Usage: she approached the negotiations with a circumspect attitude. 9. Cogent. Meanings: persuasive, convincing, well-reasoned. Usage: the lawyer presented a cogent argument that swayed the jury. 10. Contumacious. Meanings: disobedient, rebellious, insubordinate. Usage: the contumacious student refused to follow the teacher's instructions. 11. Craven. Meanings: cowardly, timid, spineless. Usage: the craven knight ran away from the battle. 12. Denigrate. Meanings: disparage, belittle, defame. Usage: the politician tried to denigrate his opponent's achievements. 13. Desiccate. Meanings: dry up, dehydrate, parch. Usage: the sun desiccated the soil, making it impossible to grow crops. 14. Diatribe. Meanings: rant, tirade, harangue. Usage: the frustrated customer launched into a diatribe against the company's poor service. 15. Diffident. Meanings: shy, timid, lacking confidence. Usage: the diffident student hesitated to ask questions in class. 16. Dilatory. Meanings: delaying, procrastinating, tardy. Usage. The dilatory worker always submitted his reports late. 17. Dissemble. Meanings: disguise, conceal, pretend. Usage. The spy dissembled his true identity to gain access to the enemy's headquarters. 18. Dissonance. Meanings: discord, conflict, disharmony. Usage. The dissonance between their political views made it difficult for them to agree on anything. 19. Ebullient. Meanings: enthusiastic, exuberant, lively. Usage. The ebullient crowd cheered as the team scored the winning goal. 20. Enervate. Meanings: weaken, exhaust, debilitate. Usage. The hot weather enervated the athletes, making it difficult for them to perform at their best. 21. Ephemeral. Meanings: short-lived, fleeting, transient. Usage. The beauty of the cherry blossoms is ephemeral, lasting only a few weeks. 22. Equivocate. Meanings: prevaricate, hedge, evade. Usage. The politician equivocated when asked about his stance on the controversial issue. 23. Erudite. Meanings: learned, scholarly, knowledgeable. Usage. The erudite professor impressed his students with his vast knowledge of history. 24. Exacerbate. Meanings: worsen, aggravate, intensify. Usage. The doctor warned that scratching the rash would only exacerbate the irritation. 25. Exculpate. Meanings: exonerate, absolve, vindicate. Usage. The new evidence exculpated the defendant, proving his innocence.
Thanks for watching. The next lesson, Advanced Vocab Session 7 follows. Do watch the previous lessons also. The link for the previous lessons is given in the description. Good luck!